and its unique qualities make it highly sought after around the world. To claim this treasure, they must outsmart swarms of the largest bees on Earth, endure their relentless stings, and navigate sheer rock faces with nothing but bamboo ladders. Their window is tiny. This high-stakes hunt happens only twice a year, making each harvest vital to their community's income. Can they secure their precious bounty? Or will the cliffs grant them only empty baskets? We are in Nepal, the land of mad honey, a rare and expensive treasure harvested under deathly conditions. But what could drive people to risk their life hanging on a cliff for honey? Beyond its deep cultural significance, mad honey can command prices